Hi, welcome to this video. How to find trending audio on Instagram. Finding trending audio on Instagram involves looking for an upward pointing arrow next to song titles while browsing Reels, right? So hit the plus button at the top left, and I'm gonna select a new Reel here. Hit audio at the bottom left, okay? Instead of For You, just choose trending. Okay, and you're gonna see the trending, basically songs or audios. Right. You could check the professional dashboard for creators or business, or browse the curated trending audio section in the Reels creation tool. Aim for audio with fewer than 10,000 users for maximum trend potential. Okay, so the arrow indicator, as you scroll through the Reels tab, watch for a small diagonal arrow pointing up next to the audio name. If you have a business or creator account, visit your profile and tap Professional Dashboard and select Trending Audio to see top songs. And when creating a reel, open the audio library. Instagram often lists trending songs and sounds that are currently gaining popularity. So, yeah, and you can explore page or Reels feed. Spend time browsing the Reels tab to find which sounds are consistently appearing in your feed. So, basically, that's it. Consider liking this video. Subscribe. Until next time.